Hey everybody, so in this example we're going to do another problem with our sum and difference identities. So here it says, given that cosine of A is root 10 over 4 and sine of B is root 11 over 9, find the exact value of A minus B. Also assume that A and B are in the first quadrants. So you'll notice that what I have done is I've drawn out two triangles. One's A, one's B, and we're assuming that they're in the first quadrant, so here are our reference angles. Now, in the problem, they give us a lot of information. They tell us cosine of A is root 10 over 4. Well, we know that cosine is the adjacent leg over the hypotenuse. So if I come down here to my reference angle, this is my adjacent leg, so that's going to be the square root of 10, and my hypotenuse is going to be 4. I can do the same thing over here with triangle B. Here I have that sine is root 11 over 9. Well, sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So the opposite from my reference angle here will be the square root of 11, and my hypotenuse will be 9. So you'll see that really the only thing we're missing are these leg lengths here. So we can find the missing leg length of any right triangle by using Pythagorean's theorem. So here we'll say the square root of 10 squared plus x squared gives us 4 squared. So when you square a square root, that radical goes away. So this is now just 10 plus x squared is 16. So x squared is 16 minus 10, which is 6. So here, our leg length is going to be the square root of 6. And we'll do the same thing over here. We have x squared plus the square root of 11 squared equals 9 squared. Well, this is going to be x squared plus 11 equals 81. And then 81 minus 11 is going to give us 70. So here I have the square root of 70. So what I'll do is I'll take these values and plug them into this formula. So I have sine of angle A. So here on angle A, that is root 6 over 4. Times cosine of B. Cosine of B is the adjacent over hypotenuse, so that would be root 70 over 9. Minus the cosine of A, which they gave us in the problem, so this is root 10 over 4. Times sine of B, which was given to us in the problem, that is root 11 over 9. So here we're just multiplying fractions, so we'll multiply straight across. So the square root of 6 times the square root of 70 is the square root of 420. This will all be over 4 times 9, which gives us 36, minus the square root of 10 times the square root of 11 is the square root of 110. This will all be over 4 times 9. So remember that when you have denominators that are the same, you can write this as one fraction. So here I'll say this is going to be the square root of 420 minus the square root of 110 all over 36. All right, so here this is going to be our solution. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.